Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get unbanned from Claude AI. Alright, so let's begin. Now, in order to get unbanned from Claude AI, first log out of your account and then log back in. Sometimes, simply re-logging into your account can resolve the issue. If you still receive the ban notification, open Google, search for Claude AI support, and open the official Claude AI support website. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you see the blue chat button in the bottom corner. Click on it and this will take you to this page. Here, select messages and then choose send us a message. It will take you to this section. After that, click login now and it will give option to sign into your Claude account. Click on it to sign into your Claude AI account again. Once you're signed in, click on this menu to expand the available options. Then click on your profile icon and select Get Help from the available options. Next, click Send Us a Message and it will take you to the chat section. Here, accept the prompts shown on the screen. You will then receive a conversation ID. After that, scroll down slightly until the message box appears. In the message box, explain that your account has been banned and that you would like it to be reviewed. You can also include any additional details that may help the support team understand your situation. Once you've finished, send the message and wait for their response. If your account is eligible for reinstatement, the support team will let you know and guide you through the next steps, and that's it. This is how you can get unbanned from Claude AI. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.